Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss about 9th class physics. The subtopic is power of lens, definition and units of power of a lens. So here, what is the power of a lens? For example, if you consider a convex lens, this is also called as a converging lens. So why it is called as a converging lens? When the light rays are parallel to principal axis, they are converge at one point. So that's why that is called as a converging lens. So in this, the ability of converging of the light rays and fall on a focus point, the abilityness is called as a power of a lens. Otherwise, if you consider concave lens, so here concave lens is also called as a diverging lens. So why it is called diverging lens? Because the light rays parallel to principal axis, so they are diverge like this. Okay, now here by back extension we will get a focus point at this one. This is called focus point of the this concave lens. So here we feels that the light rays are diverge from this point into different directions. That's why this is called as a diverging lens. So in this case also the light rays are diverged. So that ability of converging or diverging of the light rays is called power of a lens. So that is the general definition. But in case of mathematical point of view, if f is focal length of a convex lens, then the reciprocal of focal length of a lens is called focal power of a lens. The reciprocal of focal length of a lens is called focal power. So here, but 1 by f, when we are taking, if you take focal length is in meters, focal length is in meters. Otherwise, if you take focal length is in centimeters, then P equal to 100 by f in centimeters. In centimeters. Next, here the focal length of a convex lens is positive, that's why the focal power is also positive. In case of concave lens, the focal length is negative, the focal power also negative. Okay, next, what are the units of a focal power? So here focal length unit is meter, focal power unit is 1 by meter or meter inverse. But the standard unit of this power is diopter. Diopter, shortly represented by capital D. So diopter is the standard or fundamental unit of focal power. Otherwise here this is the SI unit. So diopter is the fundamental SI unit of a focal power. Next, here 100 by f in centimeter. So here 1 by centimeter or centimeter inverse. So this is the unit of a focal power. So this is the complete information regarding definition and units of a power of a lens. Okay, now based upon these topics, we are going to discuss some bits. The first one is the instrument used to measure power of a lens directly by dash. First option is manometer. Second option is calorimeter. Third option is dioptrimeter. Fourth option is all of these. All of these. Okay, so here what is the question? The instrument used to measure power of a lens. Used to measure power of a lens directly by. So here manometer is a instrument used to measure pressure. Pressure purpose we are using manometer. Calorimeter is used to measure how much of heat transfer from hot body to cold body. That means it is used for measuring of quantity of heat transfer. But dioptrometer is the instrument used to measure power of a lens. That's why third option is correct. So here first option is wrong, second option is wrong, so third option is correct. So all of this is never possible because these two are not useful for measuring power of a lens. That's why third option is correct. Next, second bit. If focal length of a converging lens is, if focal length of a converging lens is 80 centimeter, 80 centimeter, then find its focal power. So first option 1.25 diopter. Second option is 1.25 meter inverse. Third option 2.5 diopter. Fourth option both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2. So in this problem, so what given here? The focal length of a converging lens means convex lens. So convex lens focal length given f equal to 80 centimeter. Find focal power. So P equal to question mark. So if focal length given in centimeters, the formula for focal power is P equal to 100 by F. P equal to 100 by F. So P equal to 100 by 80. So P equal to here cancel. This is 4 times and this is 5 times. So 5 by 4. So 1.25. But here 1.25 we can write standard unit. SI standard unit is diopter. But here what we can take? So from this one, if you see here 100 by F, but the answer is in here diopters only because here okay 1 by 1.25 diopters. So that's why even though here we are taken in a centimeters, the unit is diopters. The unit is diopters. So that's why here 1.25 diopters, first option is okay. But here 100 by F we are taking, that's why meter inverse is also unit of focal power. So that's why 1.25 diopter is correct, 1.25 meter inverse also correct. That's why both 1 and 2 is the option. So that's why fourth option is correct. Next, third problem. If the focal power of a diverging lens is, if the focal power of a diverging lens is 2.5 diopters. 2.5 diopters. Then find its focal length. Then find its focal length in centimeters. In centimeters. So first option is 40 centimeter. Second option is minus 40 centimeter. Third option is 80 centimeter. Fourth option is minus 80 centimeter. So first one point you have to observe here. If the focal power of a diverging lens is 2.5 diopters, so that's why P value we have to take minus 2.5 diopters. Why? For diverging lens focal length is negative, focal power also negative. So P equal to minus 2.5 diopters. Our aim is to find out focal length in centimeters. That's why the formula is P equal to 100 by F. So here F equal to 100 by P. F equal to 100 by minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. So here by cancel we will get minus 40 centimeters. So therefore the focal length of this diverging lens is minus 40 centimeter. So second option is correct. Next, fourth one. If focal length of a convex lens is, if focal length of a convex lens is 400 decimeter, 400 decimeter, then find its focal power. Then find its focal power. So first option minus 0.025 diopter, 0.05 diopter. Third option 0.005 diopter. Fourth option 0.025 diopter. Okay. So in this problem, so what is the focal length given? If the focal length of a convex lens is 400 decimeter, 400 decimeter. So here F equal to 400 decimeter. So how we can write 400 into 10 power minus 1 meter. So then the focal length is 40 meter. The focal length is 40 meter. Okay, now here focal length is in meters. That's why the focal power formula F equal to P equal to 1 by F. So 1 by 40. P equal to 1 by F. P equal to 1 by 40. So this value is 0.025. 0.025 diopter. But here this is a convex lens. That's why the focal power is positive value. So here that's why first option is not correct. Fourth option is correct. 0.025 diopter. Fourth option is correct. Okay. Thank you.